Bro, I'm uploading something like a shout out for money in the Philippines. If you want to buy, we'll send it to you. But don't please donate. Just give the money to us. Please do not donate. Please, I beg you. We cannot send food because we don't have any trucks or something. So let me just do it, but only Filipinos can buy this. So we go to that location and we'll give that money or something, o baka money, the most famous, or yung parang kwan ba. I'll translate it in the comments. So please buy in the Philippines. Don't donate once. If I see you donate, you know what? My dad is a military, so please don't donate, please. You can donate if you want, okay? You can donate if you want. So that's only it. It was just a shout out. But I'm only releasing the video if this video gets 50,000 likes and my channel gets to 1,000 subscribers. So good luck. Bye.